What is birthday in Korean? The Korean term for birthday is 생일. Again, it's 생일. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is 생, and the second syllable is il. Pronounce it with me. 생일, 생일. How do we write 생일 in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable 생, we need to draw first a siyet character, followed by an e character, followed by an iyon character. For the second syllable il, we need to draw first a no sound iyon, followed by an e character, followed by a real character. And then we just need to combine this to form the Hangul of 생일. And with that, you already know what is birthday in Korean. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos.